Today, I'm going to be sharing the 8 bodies of knowledge that you need to know trading Forex. I'm not going to tell you how to fix it if it goes south, and I'm not going to tell you how to regulate it when it's getting too much. I'm just going to tell you what you need to know. Number one body that you need to know is your emotion regulation. You need to understand and know how your emotion works. You need to know what trigger your emotion, what trigger you to be sad, what trigger you to be like fearful, what trigger you to doubt yourself, and more and more and more like that. Trading wise, you must know what trigger you to actually take a trade. You must know what trigger you that make you like feel regret that I shouldn't have take the trade, or you take this trade. Yeah, when you see this type of chart, you are happy, you see this type of chart, you are sad. The number two body is discipline and patience. You see that two things. In fact, I just want to like take another self-awareness of having patience. Trust me, if you can have self-discipline and patience in this forest game, trust me, you are going to like win. We all know that we know this type and this chart that if you take this trade, it's going to win. But due to the fact that we want to take more, we want to take 2 or 3 trade per day, and you feel like this setup don't come every day. It might only come maybe once a week. We want to find additional setup. Process of finding additional setup, we are going to be seeing the setup that is just going to be collecting our money and one that's going to be giving us our money. So that is that there is no patience in that. So discipline and patience, you need to know about that too. Self-awareness. Self-awareness in the term of when you're about to take trade, how your body is reacting to it. How are you feeling? Are you thinking of, yeah, after this trade I'm going to be a billionaire, after this trade I'm going to go to a luxurious restaurant, I'm going to go shopping? And you must be self-aware of what is going on in your environment. Maybe today you take a trade, you need to be like self-aware of, okay, today I'm in a happy mood. Yes, yesterday I'm not in a happy mood, that is the reason why I took one trade. But today I'm in a happy mood, nobody stress me. Or maybe I just finished talking to my girlfriend, that is why I'm happy. I just finished talking to my mom, my dad, my family. I just finished doing something, then I feel happy. Then I went to take this trade and I win. So you should be self-aware about that one too. Also, we have risk management. That risk management is one of the top theory of what you need to know in forex trading. Risk management. As a beginner, you might not understand the meaning of risk management, but as time goes on, you are going to know you are going to understand risk management. And that risk management, don't joke with it. Yeah, don't. Even all these professional traders don't joke with it. You are going to see all of them have one thing in common. They always speak about risk management. They are not using the same strategy, but always talk about risk management. Also, we have the decision under uncertainty. You are not certain about this trade, but you took it. Understand what prompts you to make the decision. Like you have to understand all this body, and you need to understand how to handle it, because if you did not find a way to handle it, it's going to be reflecting in your trading career. Trust me, it's going to be reflecting in your trading career, and most of it you are just going to be losing money, losing money, losing money. Then you start shouting trading is a scam, or you give up. Don't give up. This one is common, which is learn from your losses. You have to learn from your losses. Now I actually learned from a huge losses, and the what I learned is fake breakout sha. Like that loss that I had make me actually study about fake breakout. That okay, these are the particular candle, or these are the particular way the market is going to move when it's trying to give me fake trend, maybe fake uptrend or fake downtrend. So you have to learn from your losses also. And if you learn from your, imagine you have 10 mistakes to make and you learn from the 10 mistake already. You know you won't be making any mistake, but instead of you to learn from 10 mistakes, you just learn two. You know that you are still going to lose 8 more times before you learn from it. Without that mistake, you are not going to learn. This one is like a goal setting slash have realistic goal. You understand? You have to set your goal. You have to feel like, yeah, today I just want to make $10. Tomorrow I want to make $20. Today I want to make $100. You have to set a realistic goal. Okay, let's talk about capital wise. Like maybe you have this your capital, you just want to make 5% of your capital, 10% of your capital, 2% of your capital, depending on how much you have in your trading account. And also remember, you need money to make money. This last one, which is mindful of mental health. For the past, I think 2 weeks now, I've not been trading because I can actually figure out that something is wrong with my mental health. I kid you not. Something is actually wrong with my mental health. So like this, I'm just going to focus on how to like get my mental health straight back before I start trading. My mental health is messed up, is fucked up, bro. Don't worry, I'm going to like document the journey to you guys, but the title of the video is still going to remain going my $10 Forex account, and what actually the video is all about is going to be like after the title. So I'm just going to be telling you that today I'm just going to my day as a Forex trader, how I'm going to like reset my mental health back. The way I'm just going to be listening to book, reading book, going for walk. Those are the stuff that I use to like bring my health down, to calm my head down.